Stop scrolling. This is Avalon Waterways.
In 60 seconds. Part 4, what do excursions look like on board your Avalon Waterways River Cruise? With Avalon Waterways, you're going to have between 2 and 4 excursions included at every single port that you go to. Excursions are going to include classic walking tours, active excursions like biking and hiking, and discovery options that are going to be wine tastings, cooking classes, and painting classes. Let's take a look at a few of my favorite excursions with Avalon. First up, we have this bike tour in Amsterdam. This was one of my favorite times biking with the river cruise. We went into the Dutch countryside where we biked along beautiful country roads, visited small towns, and even stopped for an apple pie. It was so much fun, and look at how spectacular this rainbow is at the end of our bike tour. Next up was a fully immersive cooking class where we met with the chefs responsible for the Avalon Fresh menu. We cooked a completely vegan meal, and let me tell you, it was amazing. This pea-based vegan guacamole was absolutely wonderful. Next up was this painting class in Bratislava. They took us to this wonderful little restaurant and down into the basement cellar where we painted our own Marilyn Monroe portraits in the style of Andy Warhol. We were laughing and having the best time, and the bonus was I got to take this painting home with me. Next up was this Monks and Magma tour where we got to learn about the volcanic history in Germany, as well as visit these underground volcanic caves that the monks used to use when brewing their beer. It was really neat to walk down this staircase and see all the remnants of the work that they used to do in the caves. These are just 4 of my favorite tours that I've done with Avalon so far. There are so many options to choose from. You could sail the same river twice and never do the same excursions. My name's Melissa Baum. I'm the River Cruise Queen. I help Canadians and Americans book amazing river cruise vacations. Follow to learn more about Avalon Waterways.